your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. The wound is the place where the light enters you. Yesterday, I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today, I am wise, so I am changing myself. Don't grieve. Anything you lose comes around in another form. Raise your words, not voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. Where there is ruin, there is hope for a treasure. Be grateful for whoever comes, because each has been sent as a guide from beyond. Goodbyes are only for those who love with their eyes. Because for those who love with heart and soul, there is no such thing as separation. 1,000 half-loves must be forsaken to take one whole heart home. Respond to every call that excites your spirit. The cure for pain is in the pain. You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean in a drop. Not only the thirsty seek the water as well seeks the thirsty. Shine like the whole universe is yours.